Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General haul with you guys. It's a bunch of household kind of items, repurchase kind of stuff. So let's just jump right in. And most of all this is from the dollar section that they have there, the dollar deals. Got some paper plates, some of this Pretty Prince Angel Soft Toilet tissue. It's so pretty. I actually really liked it better when it had the pink flowers on it, but it's still really pretty toilet paper. I picked up another one of these for bathroom cleaning, the Good and Clean disinfectant wipes, but these are in the lavender scent. I prefer these in the bathroom. There's 24 in there for $1. You can't beat it. They have the same brand at the DollarTree. Also, the Dollar General is starting to carry several DollarTree items in this dollar deal area. I noticed that today. Leaving the 3-minute Miracle conditioner stuff, that was there. Some of the body washes were there. Wipes and detergents and different things. Lots of different things. Also got a 100 count facial tissues. Trash bags. You get, these are 13 gallon, but you get 12 bags for $1. And you just flat tie. You tie them yourself. For $1, I also picked up the Hawaiian Sunset Great Scents candle. This is 3 ounces. Does have a really nice scent to it. I've got some Carefree long liners. There's 18 in here for $1. Thought that I would try these. These are the Baby Magic Gentle Baby Wipes. There's 80 in here. And enriched with baby lotion, and they're in the fresh scent that I really like. It says softened skin. They're hyperallergenic. I don't know, but for $1 you get 80 wipes, and they are, now I'm just going to assume by this packaging they're going to be thin, but that's okay for wiping hands, face, you know, stuff like that, quick fixes. These will be fine for that. Even swatches and makeup removal, I'm sure these will be fine. This is the second time that I got these. They're Para-Aid wipes. That's the brand. They're just baby wipes. There is 88 wipes in here. So they're alcohol-free, chlorine-free, paraben-free. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I purchased these before, and I used them solely on Connor's face and his hands for just quick wipe-ups. And I really like them. They are thin, but they are larger wipes. And they are very gentle. They are. I really like them. I'm going to continue to purchase these for his backpack and to leave like in the kitchen and different things like that. So I am really loving these. This also is a repurchase, the Aurora Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. There are 40 in here, and I keep these at my makeup desk. I picked up some a week or so ago, and I've been really loving them. They're actually really good makeup wipes. I use them to clean up under my eye area and swatches and things like that. But so far I'm really liking these, and they have a really nice cucumber scent to them. For $1 you get 40. And a few other items. I got the Children's Mucus Relief, the Multi-Symptom Code, and basically this controls cough, relieves chest congestion, breaks up mucus, and relieves stuffy nose. And it's the Dollar General brand. I believe this was $4 or $5, something like that. And it's ages 4 to 12. I'm hoping this will help break up Connor's mucus that he has. So, yeah. Anyways, and their springy summer stuff. They have lots of cute cups and stuff. And I really love this one for $1. So it's got pink flamingos on it and palm trees. It's a pretty nice size cup as well. So adorable. And then last, I got some of these microfiber dishcloths. They're $1. That is in tons of different colors, tons of different prints. And I just really like this pink set here. So you get a hot pink, and you get this really pretty, like, flowery kind of design one. And of course, one side's got the scrubby mesh, and one side is microfiber. But 2 for $1. They're that at the DollarTree too. These are much prettier prints. And that's all for the Dollar General haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more hauls. Ring the bell, subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks again for watching.